Good morning students and welcome to the another session of mathematics. In our last period we have learnt about the divisibility rules of certain numbers. Here are a few more important rules to find the divisibility. Very important tricks we can say for easy calculation. The first rule states if a number is divisible by another number, then that number is divisible by its factor. Let's understand this with the example of 45. Now 45 is divisible by 5 and 9. 5 and 9 are the factors of 45. Let us find the factors of 9. The factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. You can see that 45 is divisible by 3 as well. 15 3s are 45. So the factors of 45 means 45 is divisible by 3, 5 and 9. Next rule states that if the number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, then it is divisible by their product. What are co-prime numbers, children? Co-prime numbers are the numbers which have common factor as 1. Let us see the example of 63. Now 63 is divisible by 3 and 7, right? Now let us find the product of 3 and 7, 21. Before that, I hope you all are agree with me that 3 and 7 are co-primes. They have common factor as 1 only. Now let us find the product of 3 and 7, which is 21. Now we can see that 63 is also divisible by 21. 21 3s are 63. So if the number is divisible by co-primes, then it is divisible by the product of these co-primes. Now the next rule. If two given numbers are divisible by a number, then their sum is also divisible by that number. Let us see the example of 12 and 16. 12 is divisible by 4. 16 is also divisible by 4. As this rule states, let us find the sum of 12 and 16. 12 plus 16, 28. 4 7s are 28. So this 28 is also divisible by 4. Similarly, if the two numbers are divisible by a certain number, then their difference is also divisible by that number. Let us see this example. 28 and 42 are divisible by 7. 7 4s are 28. 7 6s are 42. Let's find the difference of this. 42 minus 28 gives us 14. 14 is divisible by 7. Yes, 7 2s are 14. So these rules are related to each other, that if two numbers are divisible by a certain number, then their sum is also divisible by that number and their difference is also divisible by that number. Now if we find the difference of this 16 and 12 children, the difference is 4. Again it is divisible by 4. Right? I hope you have understood these rules. For this only I will be sending the classwork, the prime factorization method and common division method, which is in our next video. Along with this, I am not sending any classwork. I am sending the classwork only for these divisibility rules. Thank you.